Hey, let's make a key. A car averages 27 miles per gallon. If gas costs $4.04 per gallon, which of the following is closest to how much gas would cost for the car to travel 27 typical miles? I'm going to take that distance. I'm going to divide it by 27. That will tell me how many gallons of gas I'm going to need, and I'll take that and multiply it by the price of gas. 408 and 4 pennies. Letter D. When X is 3, Y is 5, I'm going to use my storing button. 3 is going to be stored for X. 5 is going to be stored for alpha Y. By how much does 3x squared minus 2y? So 3x squared minus 2 alpha the y. That gives me a grand total of 17. Exceed the value of 2x squared minus 3 alpha. 17 and 3, the difference is 14. What is the value of x when? We can solve this. We're going to subtract 3x over here. That's going to give me 3 is equal to an x minus a 4. I'll add my 4 over. X is 7. What is the greatest common factor of the numbers 42, 140, 126, and 210? The greatest common factor is the largest number that will go into those. Okay? So I'm going to start here with the largest one and see if that works. I believe we know 42 will go into 42. So what I'm doing is I'm taking and dividing each of these by. And if they all work, and since 42 is the biggest, it works. Answer is E. Sales for a business were $3 million more the second year than the first. So the second is the first one plus 3. Sales for the third year were double the sales for the second. So the third year is 2 times the second. If sales for the third year were 38 million, well, if that's 38 million, then that means S is 19 million. What were the sales in dollars for the first year? Well, if S is 19, then 19 is F plus 3. I'll subtract 3. 16 million. Your answer is A. Typical high school student consumes 67.5 pounds of sugar per year. As part of a new nutrition plan, each member of the track team plans to lower the sugar he or she consumes by at least 20%. So 67.5. We want to figure out what 20% of that is. So there's your 25%. Assuming each track member had consumed sugar at the level of a typical high school student and will adhere to the plan for the coming year, what is the maximum number of pounds of sugar to be consumed? Well, they're going to eat 13.5 pounds less, so I'm going to take my starting point and subtract that 13.5. 54. Our answer is D.